In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hostinger step by step. Hostinger is a popular web hosting provider, and reaching them is quite straightforward once you know the ins and outs. Whether you have a question about your hosting plan, need some technical support, or just want to know more about their offerings, I'll guide you through the process. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. You can easily do this by typing Hostinger in your search engine, and it should be the first link that appears. Once you're on Hostinger's homepage, you'll be greeted with a clean, streamlined design promoting their various hosting services. It's a site built to not just showcase their products, but also to make navigation a breeze. Now, if you're ready to proceed, look towards the top right corner of the screen, which is where you'll find the login button. Give that a click. Logging in is essential because some of Hostinger's support options are exclusive to customers. Upon clicking, you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account, unfortunately, you won't be able to access the live chat assistance, but you can always drop them an email. However, assuming you already have an account, after logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger control panel, which is often referred to as H-panel. This interface is your headquarters for managing your Hostinger services, and it's here that you'll find all the resources offered by Hostinger. Within the H panel, look to the top of the screen and keep an eye out for a small icon. This icon represents the help menu, your gateway to Hostinger's support infrastructure. Clicking on the icon will present various support options such as the knowledge base, tutorials, and live chat. For our purpose today, we are interested in initiating a live chat. Next, click on Start a Live Chat. This option is typically located under the help menu that popped up when you clicked on the question mark. Starting a live chat connects you directly with Hostinger's support team. The representatives on the other end are well versed with Hostinger's products and policies, so don't hesitate to ask them any queries you have. Type your question into the chat window and a support agent should be with you in a few moments. In the meantime, take advantage of the opportunity to peruse their detailed knowledge base. Often the most common queries are addressed in those resources. By following these steps, you will be able to contact Hostinger easily and efficiently. It's a simple process of navigating through their user-friendly interface to get to the support you need. With this knowledge, you'll be able to tackle any issues head-on, making your experience with Hostinger as smooth and rewarding as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.